Guns drawn, LAPD officers approach this white SUV on the 110 freeway near Adams Boulevard following a pursuit. A woman, the driver, on the ground. The male murder suspect fled. He's now identified as Marlon Jones.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, I want to talk about this guy here on the right of the screen. His name is Marlon Jones. I don't even know if that's his real name. But if you look to the left of the screen, that's Radigan. Now, Radigan is from Maxfield Avenue, and it's alleged that he was a financier of the RATBAT gang. Now, this guy is alleged to kill Radigan in LA, October 2016. He's been apprehended because somebody that he knows gave him up for $100,000. Now, 4 people got killed, and I think 10 other people got injured, 10 to 12. Some news media say 10, some say 12. Apparently, Mr. So-called Marlon Jones, I'm laughing over that name because it just doesn't seem like it's his real name. But who's this guy? Where's he from? Is it a gang thing? The feds, the FBI came in, put Marlon on the 10 most wanted, and he was caught the next day. And they're alleging that he's from a East Coast marijuana distribution gang. We don't know. But he's somewhat of a mystery. I'm looking at him, and he just looked like he's really cold-blooded. He also looked like he could pass for a Dominican or a Latin American Dominica kind of guy. So it seems like he's a chameleon. This guy is a chameleon. He could change the way he looks. But yeah, anybody have any info on this guy? Send it to me if you know his case, what's going on, because I did my research and the last thing I saw, he pled not guilty, and that was in 2017, and that was it. They wanted to give him the death penalty, and the police knew about Radigan and knew what he did because obviously he's been deported before and been caught up, him and Willie Agat and stuff like that. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Drop me some comments. If you know anything about this mysterious Marlon Jones, let me know. This is Countryman. Peace out. And take care.
Guns drawn, LAPD officers approach this white SUV on the 110 freeway near Adams Boulevard following a pursuit. A woman, the driver, on the ground. The male murder suspect fled. He's now identified as Marlon Jones. Police say Jones jumped off the side of the freeway, ran about a block and a half, and was found here in the 300 block of West 33rd Street in Exposition Park. You can see him sitting on the sidewalk surrounded by police and FBI as Air 7 flies over the scene.
FBI is there. Guys, FBI is here. We've got verification.
He's later carried on a stretcher into an ambulance and transported. Jones was just placed on the FBI's top 10 most wanted list, charged with 4 counts of murder. Authorities say Jones is an alleged member of the East Coast Jamaican criminal group involved in drug trafficking and may have been settling a score at a party on October 15th in the West Adams district. 4 people killed and 10 wounded in the gun battle in a house used as a restaurant. The FBI believes Jones left California following the shooting. A reward of up to $100,000 was offered for his arrest. Tonight, the FBI's Los Angeles field office assistant director telling us it was a tip that led to his arrest.
It's really a testament to how the media can play a big role in the success of these investigations and to capture these subjects.